Hello you guys, here have another video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now this one is a 37-in-1 motorcycle mount, and this is what it comes with. It's cheap. It's only $13, so I don't expect a lot, but on my next riding video, I'm gonna use this and show you guys how it works out. So but let me open up and show you guys what's in there. So you got adhesive patch. This is 10 of them, 4 or 5 round and 5 square. And what else it come with? So I got a whole bunch here. So you got the safety buckle mount. So this is where you attach to your camera. So if your mount is accidentally fall off, you still have this extra safety cable to hold your camera without letting it falling off. So you got 2 of this mount. Let me see what else. So you got the mounting patch. So you got 5 this square one and 5 this square one and 5 kind of oval one. So this is the wrench to open if you need to, and you got the hook, 3 buckle hook. So I got 3, and you got 5 long screw. Basically it's like this. So that's it on the list, and here's the main mount. So the main mount is so you got right here is the Phillip. So let me try. So see, this is a Phillip. So when you release it, you have all the angle, the bending angle you want for your mount. So it could either the chin mount, or it could be the side mount, or even the top of the helmet mount. So all you do is loose this thing up and then bend to the angle you want. So what I want is the side mount. So I'm just gonna use this case as a replacement for the actual camera, because I need the camera to record. So basically this is what happened right here. So you get the mount straight into the side of the helmet, and then you got to go straight into the camera. So this is gonna be the side mount. This is what I'm looking for. Now you can see this length right here could be a little long. What you can do is you can remove this part right here. You can remove this, and then you plug straight into here. So you got a shorter lane. Let me test that. So all you need to do is just remove the screw that attached to it. So you remove the screw, you took it out, and just remove the first screw. So basically you remove 2 of the attachment that's in it if you don't want it to be that long. So all you need to do is just plug that in and put the screw back, and you just shorten the length of the arm. of the extended arm. So now your arm have been reduced. So it's gonna be a lot better right now, right? So if you mount your helmet like on the side like this, and it should work good. So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. So. For my next video, and you guys gonna check it out and see how well it works. But it looks pretty sturdy. If you tie everything up, it looks pretty sturdy, and I think it's gonna be really good and really stable for the riding video. So go ahead and come back. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So if I post the next video, you will get to see the demo with this mount, how good this mount works. So like I said, I bought this from Amazon, and the whole thing cost about $13. So look like it's pretty good, and this is exactly what I needed. Like I said, you can also do this into the head mount, or the side mount, and then the chin if you wanted to, with all this adapter right here. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.